What's up guys, this is Bright Science YouTube channel and we are back with another video with another interesting question for you. Today I have taken the topic about pyramids and that is because we all are fascinated with the Egyptian pyramids and there are a lot of mysteries surrounding their construction and we all want to know that how pyramids were built. Just like question, how did people 2000 years ago able to create such a most largest and the most iconic structures on earth? And some theories say that they were built by some aliens, but we don't believe in conspiracy theory. We are science students and we need some proof on that. But still now we don't know how they were made. Some new discovery could make some clear on that. So we are about to explore a lot more things about pyramids. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share to friends. So let's get started. Let's see first where the most number of pyramids are now. The most number of pyramids is in Sudan and Sudan has over 200 pyramids and that is the most of any country in the world. But most iconic and most famous ancient pyramids are in Egypt and they were built thousands of years ago and that is for Egyptian leaders and their families. Up to now 130 pyramids have been discovered throughout the Egypt. Okay, so what geometry say about pyramid? Pyramid have a unique geometry shape and in geometry a pyramid has defined as the polyhedrons that is made by connecting a polygon base. A two-dimensional shape with three or more straight sides with a point at the top and that is called the apex. The shape of a pyramid allows weight to be distributed evenly throughout the structure. Most of the weight is on the bottom and it decreases the higher you go. And that is allows ancient civilizations to create huge structure of stone and that were very sturdy. The Egyptian pyramid may have been modeled after a sacred ponton stone that is called Benben. The Benben stone represents the rays of the sun and ancient Egyptians believed that pharaohs who died reached heaven on that sunbeam. The most famous Egyptian pyramids are located in Giza that is near Cairo. The pyramids at Giza are some of the largest structures ever built. And the Great Pyramids of Khufu at Giza is the tallest pyramids in the world. It's also the only one of the seven wonders of the ancient world and that is still in existence. Let's explore on Great Pyramid of Khufu. This pyramid is built over 1.3 million huge limestone blocks and that weigh anywhere from like 5,000 pounds to over 30,000 pounds. Precisely, it has four side of faces and these faces are north, south, east and west. It was originally 488 feet tall but sadly it stands only 455 feet now. The missing 33 feet were high quality of casing stone and that were removed long ago. That is to build houses and mosques. One can notice some of these missing outer stones of Great Pyramid of Khufu. No one knows for sure exactly how the pyramids were built. That is because without modern mechanics and modern building techniques, the ancient Egyptians managed to create the architectural masterpiece that are still baffle the scientists today. But one thing is certain and that is it had to take tremendous amount of manpower to create the pyramid. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys learned something from it and to contribute a big support to us, to make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share with your friends. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.